Famous author Jeffrey Gitomer once said, "Great salespeople are relationship builders who provide value and help their customers win." As the Y and Z generations take over the business world, it is likely that you keep hearing quotes along the same lines. Even when it comes to professional sales and business relationships, people are looking for trust and a good foundation to build that trust upon. What better place to start building that trust than a service proposal presentation? What is a service proposal? Well, a classic service proposal is a document that you use to sell your goods and services to another business or prospective client. In the proposal, you're expected to highlight common pain points and how your solution helps alleviate these pain points. You can think of this service proposal as a straightforward documentation of the B2B sales process. It helps the seller and buyer be on the same page regarding the expectations and goals from the process. In addition to a tool that will help convince the buyer to buy your product, the proposal can also be used as an informational pamphlet that both parties can refer to at any time. What is the purpose of a common service proposal? Well, as we mentioned, a good sales partnership is built on trust. The best way to build that trust is to tell a good story for who you are and what you're offering. After hearing the proposal, the prospective buyer should have a pretty good idea of who you are, what your company offers, and what you're trying to solve. You should identify what your buyer persona is and what they typically face in the industry, and how your company is solving this critical issue effectively and thoroughly. One key thing that you should also highlight in the proposal is what you need in order to make it happen for your buyer. What amount of money, time, human capital, or any other resource do you need to implement your solution? You don't have to write all that down. An easy way out for you is finding the right presentation templates for a service proposal. There are many presentation tools that offer service proposal presentation templates, but deciding on just which one is the right one may be intimidating. Let's check out the example Dectopus sets. What should be included in a service proposal presentation? 1. The intro slide. Introduce the names of the prospective buyer and the sellers. This is a good way to begin by establishing the associated parties and start building the partnership. 2. About us. What is your company and what do they have to offer? What is your history and story? How many success stories do you have to this day? Identify statistics or anecdotes that will catch the prospective buyer's attention. This is also where you can dive into who your team is and why they are great at what they do. Additionally, pointing out your current outreach to countries and highlighting the number of happy customers you served could be helpful. 3. Pain points. What is the current problem? Why is an immediate solution necessary for your client? Make sure this pain point directly relates to your client. 4. Why do other providers fail? What does your competition lack? Not to call out names or anything, but here's why the current solutions created by my competition remain insufficient. Could be a useful sentence to use. 5. What you offer. What is the cutting-edge, revolutionary solution your company offers? How is it different and how do you make it happen? Reveal the statistics that will help identify your already established success. 6. Success stories. Point out your already existing satisfied clients. These are important references that your prospective buyer can contact for additional information. 7. A quote from the founder, a satisfied user, or a devoted employee. This will help reinforce the credibility of your story and ensure that your company sets a positive image. 8. Questions. Thank your audience for listening and open the floor for questions. It is almost certain that they will have some burning questions. Don't worry about this section. Think about it this way. Here's another chance to highlight your value proposition and what you have to offer. With all that you have going in your life, running a business, looking for clients, pitching, it is easy for the preparation of the service proposal to fall back on your list of priorities. Knowing how important the service proposal actually is for your business, you're probably looking for ways to prevent this from happening. There should be an easy way out, and thankfully there is. Find unique presentation template providers like Dectopus and find the right service proposal template for your business now. For service proposal presentations and other templates, check out dectopus.com.